What do you call an alligator in a vest?
What?
An investigator.
I told my wife she should embrace her mistakes. She gave me a hug.
What did one ocean say to the other ocean? What? Nothing. They just waved.
What did one wall say to the other?
What?
I'll meet you at the corner.
I know a lot of jokes about retired people, but none of them work.